Are they waving at you?
Yeah, I think they are. They're all in that backyard. I see them.
You see them?
Yeah. That's so crazy.
Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Took a little break to focus on ground school. Wanted to post this video because it was a lot of fun. We got an opportunity this past summer to do a flyover of my neighborhood, which happened to coincide with a neighborhood get-together, so it was kind of neat to share this flight with the neighbors and the kids, and it was a lot of fun. So this is also, left this in here, it's a really great example of losing situational awareness, which is sort of embarrassing for me to post, but I thought might be instructive for folks, where there were 3 audio signals in the headset. I was talking to my wife via Bluetooth. We had the air traffic control, and then we had the inside the airplane conversation. So I completely talked over ATC, so apologies again, Persuna, for that. So yeah, in any case, thought it might be interesting for folks to watch. I was completely overwhelmed by the amount of information. There's a follow-on lesson for this about turns around a point, so I'll post that soon. And again, thanks for watching and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.
Cirrus 585 Echo Juliet, Hanscom Tower. Can you accept immediate departure?
Affirmative, 585 Echo Juliet. My controls.
Cirrus 585 Echo Juliet, the right turn and approved. Runway 11 clear for takeoff, departing inside of a Cessna, mile-and-a-half final.
Clear for immediate takeoff on my 585 Echo Juliet.
Cessna 81011, Cirrus departure Friday arrival, runway 11.
All he wanted us to expedite the procedure, so we can't be really slow.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
So
I'm gonna feel the right rudder work.
And November 72 Mike, when able, start your right turn out to the west.
All right.
We'll
turn out to the
How about I take care of the rudder work and you take care of the pitch, because that's something I really like you to establish. And the power. Let's go, full power.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
I'm gonna watch for rotation speed.
Very nice.
And that's coming up.
Engine instruments are green. I like all the numbers. Airspeed is coming away. 65. Pitch up.
65. Okay.
Pitch up. There you go. Nice.
7 degrees.
7 degrees. There it is. That's 7. Very nice.
Okay.
See how much right rudder I'm applying there?
About half, it feels like.
About half?
I mean, of what's available.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Cirrus 5 Echo Juliet, traffic heading to your right. Warrior altitude indicate 700 feet westbound. Right turn out to the west.
Inside, full key separation, 585 Echo Juliet.
Cirrus 5 Echo Juliet, roger. And right turn out to the south. Good flight.
Roger, thank you. 585 Echo Juliet.
We can follow him, or?
Yeah, but we're going to reach CAPS altitude first before we start turning.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Let's pitch down momentarily, building up some speed. And once we get to 85, you can go ahead and put flaps up.
Okay.
Right about there.
There, flaps up.
Nice.
Okay.
Good. Continue pitching up. You feel that sink?
Yep. Yeah. I want to keep 5 or I want to keep 7?
You want to keep about 7.
About 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
All right.
7 is good. Hey, CAPS available.
CAPS available. Oh, right. It's 6-4. I always
different planes, we're clear to the right.
Clear to the right.
So I'm going to have you turn to the right now.
Okay.
Let's turn.
Turning to the right.
Give me a 20-degree bank to the right.
20 degrees to the right.
That's looking good. Pitch down a little bit. Very nice. Keep that there. Very nice.
06 Juliet Sierra is with you visual for 11 outside job 2.
Citation 806 Juliet
That's
Sierra,
95.
Tower. Reduce approach speed and continue traffic will hold.
Okay.
I-95.
Turn out.
A little bit.
Turn out.
Right over here. Good. Let's keep this heading. I see Needham Towers in front of me.
Wow.
Do you see that?
I see lots of towers.
So that Needham Towers.
Oh, okay.
Lots of towers. They're large. That's how you can see them.
Okay.
Number 18 Charlie Hanscom Tower, roger. Hold short to runway 11.
Holding short, right.
You're looking at that.
Yeah, sorry.
No, go for it.
St. Louis here, make left traffic.
Left traffic, A1's here.
November 18 Charlie Hanscom Tower,
okay, so let's go. Yes, ma'am. Let's go up to 1500 before we get in.
Turn 210.
Let's get in touch with Boston, and then we can descend. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
Correction. November 18 Charlie, traffic 3 miles southeast of the field is a Cirrus altitude indicates 1,400 southbound.
18 Charlie.
All right. So approaching 1500. I'm going to try to level out here.
Good pitch.
And then trim.
Hold, before you trim, let's hold this pitch.
Okay.
Build up our airspeed, then you trim, okay? So pitch.
5 Echo Juliet, traffic departing from runway 11 is a Gulfstream on a 230 heading.
Roger, thank you. 585 Echo Juliet, we're going to be in a 180 heading.
Roger, thank you.
Okay, the trim, you can help yourself to ease the pressure that you have to put into that. So trim, to ease the pressure you have to put into the control stick.
Number 1 at the hold short, so you're crossing.
I'm feeling okay, actually.
Very good, okay. Yeah. So how about bringing power back?
To about
50.
50.
Yeah, we want to go a little slower.
November 8632 Kilo.
Don't forget to push. You're climbing. There you go.
Runway 11.
Looks good.
Takeoff, turn
Looks
left
very good.
050, and no delay, please.
We're going to go back.
Am I in the detent?
Yeah, you are.
It's like I keep doing stuff and nothing's changing.
Let's do it. Go back to 50.
Sierra, continue downwind following a citation at the 3 mile final.
Wow.
Looking for the, we got the traffic needle here.
Cessna 10, Roger, follow. And
Very
caution,
good.
wake turbulence.
And now you can start using your trim.
Okay.
Cessna 10, make a right 360, got another citation about 5 miles of the trail.
Right 360, 810.
Should I call them?
No,
November
I'll
18
call.
Charlie, contact Boston departure 124.4.
I was going to call my wife on the phone.
Oh! Just wait before I talk to approach.
Okay.
There'll be a lot of chatter.
Okay.
Hey. 5 Echo Juliet is going to Boston.
Number 5 Echo Juliet, free exchange proof, see it.
Thank you.
What are you leaving?
1.7, cleared 3000, 18 Charlie.
Stream 18 Charlie, thank you. Contact approach 133.0.
330, 18 Charlie, good day.
Boston approach, there's 585 Echo Juliet.
November 100 Sierra Charlie. If I didn't tell you, the Bedford altimeter is 3003. Contact the tower now on
So you see there's somebody there 600 feet below us. Somebody else is doing really low work.
Let's check it on, say again.
585 Echo Juliet type SR20. We just departed Bedford about 7 miles south of Bedford. I'd like to do some maneuvering about a mile east of Needham Towers at 1,000 feet.
November 5 Echo Juliet, remain outside of the Class Bravo airspace and squawk.
Hit code. And while he's saying the...
Boston 8632 Kilo.
He didn't give us a spot.
Cirrus 5 Echo Juliet, squawk 5130.
5130 will remain outside of Class Bravo. Thank you, 5 Echo Juliet.
November 4 November Delta, turn
That's it,
right.
5130. Awesome. Now you can call her. My controls.
Your controls.
My controls. And I'm going to go
November 8632 Kilo, Boston approach, climb and maintain 3000, radar contact.
All right.
3000, 3 Kilo. November 1 Delta Tango, descend and maintain 3000 and turn right heading 060, vector for visual approach.
Catch 3000, 060 heading 1 Delta Tango.
Do you know where we are?
Not really.
Okay, so according to this, you see this?
Oh, yeah, that's me. We're right over the cemetery.
North of the...
1 minute.
Hold on, we're making a left-hand turn.
Norwood altimeter is 3003. Use caution.
So we're making a left-hand turn.
Numerous
Hold on.
targets in your vicinity. Boston landers and aircraft operating in the vicinity of the Needham antenna.
Roger, okay, we'll keep an eye out. Thank you. 585 Echo Juliet.
Number 5 Echo Juliet, traffic is 1.5 miles south. Proceeding eastbound is a Sky News helicopter indicating 1000 working with the tower.
Roger, 5 Echo Juliet.
Here.
We'll keep an eye on it. Thank you. Boston, Kronos.
Sure.
Level 5000.
Number 1 Delta Tango, turn right heading 090.
Heading 090, 1 Delta Tango.
November 244,
Yeah, go ahead.
November
You guys
Delta,
video.
turn right,
I see our street.
030.
I see the library.
4 miles from Wapamoo, maintain
I see the library.
established, cleared.
I'm coming, now we're coming up.
5 approach.
You see us?
ILS 030
That's my street. Ha
November 5
And there's our
Echo Juliet,
house.
Traffic, no factor.
1 minute.
Additional traffic 5
That's
miles
so
north
cool.
of Norwood.
Hey,
Proceeding
guys.
northbound, just on the other side of the Needham
They're right
antenna,
down there.
indicating 1,400.
Roger, we'll look for the traffic. Thank you, 5 Echo Juliet. Traffic inside 5 Echo Juliet.
1 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, 2,900 indicated.
Okay, looking Delta Tango.
November 8632 Kilo, contact approach 118.25.
Do they see you?
They see us.
Awesome.
Yeah.
87, Boston, good afternoon.
We have a helicopter.
We're going to probably go soon because it's pretty gnarly out with a lot of traffic, okay?
4000, present heading, vectors 11, Kronos 87.
All right, bye.
November 4 November, correction, November 441 Delta Tango. Descend and maintain 2,500. Targets appear likely to merge 1 o'clock at 2 miles, turning northbound.
Clear visual 11, and what was the main speed?
Gulfstream 1 Delta Tango, at least 170 knots, please.
170 knots, coming up. Delta Tango, cleared visual 11, 1 Delta Tango.
Kronos 87, reduce speed to 190.
Are they waving at you?
Yeah, I think they are.
3,000.
I was floated 190.
They're all in that backyard. I see them.
You see them?
Yeah.
Number 270
That's so
Lima
crazy.
Echo.
I see a cul-de-sac. Are they?
Yeah, so it's not a cul-de-sac. It's like there's a playground, green playground, right where they are.
Okay.
270 Lima Echo.
That's awesome.
Number 0
All right,
Lima
cool.
Echo, Roger, turn 10 degrees
we
right
can go.
and contact
Okay. I gotta turn around and go anyway,
Okay.
so
10 degrees right,
we're gonna turn around.
Good day, 270 Lima
Isn't
Echo.
that cool?
That was awesome. Thank you so much.
Tango, connect Bedford Tower, 118.5. Good afternoon.